Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Tuesday's Daily Financial Digest.
The gold-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an overbought market. The euro dipped a slight 0.1% against the dollar in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The pound-dollar pair corrected downwards in the last session, falling 0.1%. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The Aussie dipped a slight 0.1% against the dollar in the last session. The RSI is giving a positive signal.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
A gauge of global stocks hit an intraday record, and U.S. Treasuries yields held above 5-month lows reached last week as investors looked for signs on whether the Delta variant would spark fresh restrictions. Grayscale Investments' digital large-cap fund is officially an SEC reporting company with nearly $350 million assets under management, mostly made up of Bitcoin and Ethereum holdings. DaoYu International Holdings Limited has terminated a merger with rival Huya Incorporated, formally nixing a deal that would have helped cement Tencent Holding Limited's lead in video game streaming.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The U.S. Consumer Price Index will be released at 12:30 GMT. The U.S. Consumer Price Index Core at 12:30 GMT. The U.S. monthly budget statement at 1800 GMT. Germany's Harmonized Index of Consumer Prices will be released at 600 GMT. The Eurozone's ECOFIN meeting at 700 GMT. Finland's current account at 500 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.